If you jumped on the jackfruit bandwagon, you're gonna love this new meat-free trend. Like jackfruit, this meat substitute also comes from a fruit tree. And no, it's not a banana. So what is this new vegetarian and vegan-friendly trend? What are its taste and texture like? How is it prepared? And does it have any health benefits? Vegan or not, you'll probably find this new food trend appealing. So keep watching. Move over, jackfruit. There's a new star in town. I'm talking about banana blossoms, the purplish-red teardrop-shaped male flowers of a banana plant. Oddly, bananas are berries. That is odd. And though the plants are sometimes called banana trees or palms, they're neither. The plant itself is an herb. And to confuse you further, in some parts of Southeast Asia, the banana blossoms are considered a vegetable. Though they're native to the Indo-Malaysia region, bananas have become ubiquitous. They arrived in Europe around the 10th century and eventually spread across North and South America. As long as the climate is tropical with lots of rain, warmth, and humidity, banana plants will thrive. Like artichokes, the blossoms have several layers of tough petals, or bracts. After you peel these away, you'll see a bundle of long, cream-colored florets with yellow tips. I know what you're wondering, and no, the blossoms don't taste like bananas. I kind of wondered that myself. When eaten straight from the tree, they taste bitter and starchy. It's more like a vegetable than a fruit or a flower. But their flaky texture makes them a perfect substitute for fish. Like what jackfruit did for pork, banana blossoms are doing for fish. But while banana blossoms are having a moment in American popular culture, eating them is not new. In Thailand, you may find them served raw. In Indonesia, you'd see banana blossoms cooked with pork and bamboo. If you come across them in the Philippines, you might try them stewed in coconut milk with shrimp and chili peppers. Oh, I just might. And they're brewed into tea. Eventually, like so many foods before them, banana blossoms found fame on social media, and specifically on TikTok. You only used to find banana blossoms in specialty or Asian markets. Then TikTok stars popularized them. And now, Whole Foods named banana blossoms as one of the top 5 plant-based food trends in 2021. That's bananas. Some people describe them as tasting like artichoke or bamboo shoots. But because of their neutral taste, they absorb the flavors of whatever seasonings you use when cooking them. However, if you want to try eating them, you'll need to know how to cook banana blossoms. First, you need to coat your fingers with oil to prevent the bitter black sap from sticking to your hands. Then you'll need to peel the purplish bracts off. Next, remove the stamen, which looks like a long matchstick, from the white flowers. Repeat this process until all the bracts and blossoms are separated. If you don't prepare them properly, the blossoms will taste bitter. To avoid this, soak them in brine or an acidic mixture of lime or lemon juice for at least 6 hours. Then strain the banana blossoms, rinse, and cook them. If that sounds like way too much work, you can buy them in a can. Maybe I should have led with that. Oops. You can cook banana blossoms in a variety of ways. Batter, fry, and paired with French fries like cooking fish, or chop them with cilantro, tomatoes, and jalapenos and serve the blossoms like ceviche. In addition to being so versatile, they can be healthy, depending on how you cook them. Deep-fried banana blossoms dunked in tartar sauce might not be the healthiest way to eat them, but probably the most delicious. Banana blossoms are low in fat and cholesterol. Plus, they're loaded with vitamins A, C, E, and act as an antioxidant. They're high in fiber, which makes you feel full and regulates your bowel movements. That might have been TMI, but I feel we're close. And they're high in calcium and phosphorus, which are good for your bones, while their traces of potassium can help your nervous system. But they are low in protein, especially when compared to fish. But if you include protein in your diet, banana blossoms are still a healthy choice. If tropical fruits are your thing, you might enjoy learning about ackee. While it's delicious and popular, especially in Jamaica, it holds a deadly secret. Find out all about it on another episode of Origins of Food. It might just save your life one day.